Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This is about homogeneous. So now I will show you. So we need to put about y equals to vs. So if we do first derivative for both sides, you got about dy over dx. So we do first derivative of v, you got about dv over dx multiplied by s. Later that we do first derivative of s, you got about v. This one we change for this one. About y we change for vs. S we simplify and you got about v o and 1 over v. So v and v we simplify. So the s and s will go to the right, v will go to the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integral of v, you got about v squared over 2. The integral of the s over s, you got about ln of the absolute value of s, and we put about c. Later that we multiply both sides by 2. We know that 2c we can write into c because that's about the constant. Number with the constant, they still be about the constant. About v, that's about this one. So we divide both sides by s. So we put this one to replace for v. So we multiply both sides by s squared. So we put the square root for the both sides. And this is the final answer. That's it the end. Thank you for watching.